Hey everyone, welcome to SwiftUI for Beginners. I am Pratik and today we are kicking off your iOS development journey with something super exciting, that is how to set up Xcode, run your first application in your iOS simulator and build your first SwiftUI screen all in one in this video. So if you are a total beginners, you are in the right place, and if you are someone coming back to iOS development, so this series is a great refresher. So make sure like, subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos from this series. Now let's dive in. Now installing Xcode. So here we have two ways to do. So first is here we have developer website, that is developer.apple.com. So in this website, here on bottom we have Xcode. So when we tap, so it will redirecting to that download page. So from here we can download Xcode. Other way is from App Store. So I am searching App Store. Here inside search you can type Xcode. So from here you can directly download this Xcode. So I am already downloading that application. So I am opening that application, as you can see here. So here we have from start this Xcode. Here we have option, that is create new project. So I am tapping on that. So here there are multiple templates available, as you can see: app, document, app, game. So we'll start first with app only. So I am selecting that and tap on next button. So here we need to enter product name. So I am entering like for example Swift UI app. Here we need to set organization identifier. Here we have interface, for example SwiftUI or storyboard. So we can start with SwiftUI. Here we need to select language. If we go with storyboard, so here we have two language, but we need to we can go with SwiftUI. Here we need to select like by default we need to add target XC test or Swift testing. So but as of now I am selecting none. And here we have that storage, for example Swift data or code data, but we can go with first none only. And here we have next option. So I am tapping here next. Here we need to select like from where we need to store this project. So I am already so here I am already selecting SwiftUI demo. Here tap on create. So now this is the our first application successfully creating. So from here we need to select multiple simulators are available inside Xcode. So I am selecting iPhone 16, and here we have play button. So when we tap play, it will run our first application. It's taking some time to launching our simulator and playing first application inside simulator. Boom, now our first application is successfully run inside simulator. See, hello world. Now let's speed up a bit and build a basic UI. So here here is some code. So I am removing this code. So now first of all I will remove this canvas. So from here you need to remove this canvas part. Also you want to add, so again tap here and again add this canvas. So here you can watch this preview, but I want I don't watch that canvas, so I am removing this. Now from here let's we can create one VStack with something like I am adding spacing inside, for example 20 pixel. Okay, so here first we can add tags, for example welcome to SwiftUI. So tags have multiple property. For example, I need to add font with some weightage. For example, font weight should be bold, either heavy bold, light, italic, something like. So I am adding bold. Also I need to apply color, so I am applying that style like blue. Also we can add another property, that is button. So button have a action, so I am on action. We can add, for example print button tab. So when we tap on this button, so it will print inside that console inside. And for label, let's we can add tap me, so it is visible on. So label, that is label text should be tap me. 1 minute. Let's go with text, and inside there we need to add tap me. Now again I am clicking on that play icon to rerun this application. See, welcome to SwiftUI and tap me. Suppose I am tapping here, so as you can see, button tap. See this part. So that's it. So today's you have learned like how to install Xcode, create your first SwiftUI application, done in Xcode simulator. Pretty cool, right? So if this help you, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on SwiftUI tutorial. In this video in next video we will explore SwiftUI layout in more detail and learn how to build real world UIs. Drop me comment below if you run into any issue. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep building. Thank